struggling with dull skin and low energy? Welcome to day 1 of my 7-day full body detox. Today, we're making the miracle ABC juice for that perfect glow. And wait, don't throw away the leftover pulp. I'll show you a crazy hack for it at the end. Watch till the. First up, carrots. Peel and chop them. Carrots are a boon for your skin glow and eyesight. Next is beetroot. Clean and chop it. This purifies your blood and brings a natural blush to your face. Now, take an apple, which is packed with antioxidants to keep aging signs away. All our star ingredients are ready on the board. Don't forget to add a little ginger for digestion and fresh mint for that instant burst of energy. Toss everything into the blender one by one. Add a splash of water and blend until completely smooth. Strain it well. And this leftover pulp, most people throw it away, but we're using it for a crazy hack at the end, so keep it aside. Now, squeeze in some fresh lemon juice to boost both the flavor and the vitamin C. Our miracle ABC juice is ready. Drink this on an empty stomach in the morning to supercharge your entire day. Important tip: do not add any salt or sugar to get 100% natural nutrition. Please note, if you have diabetes, skip this juice or consult your doctor before trying it. Also, don't chug this juice all at once. Sip it slowly so it mixes with your saliva for proper digestion. Now, let's look at our leftover pulp. Put it back into the blender. And add 3 to 4 tablespoons of pure rose water and half cup simple water. Give it a quick blend and pour this puree into an ice tray to freeze. Boom! Our miracle skin glow cubes are ready. Rub 1 cube on your face every morning for a stunning glow. Health plus beauty. See you tomorrow for the Day 2 challenge. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.